How to prepare Achaar Punjabi recipe. Ingredients: 3 cups, 375 grams, raw mangoes, cut into pieces, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, 1/4 cup fennel seeds, saunf, coarsely ground, 1 tablespoon split fenugreek seeds, methi nakuria, 2 tablespoons split mustard seeds, rai nakuria, 1/2 teaspoon nigella seeds, kalonji, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida, hing, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1/4 cup mustard, rai by sarson, oil, 4 tablespoon salt. How to method. Step 1. Combine the mangoes, turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of salt and toss well. Step 2. Place the mangoes on a sieve. Cover and place under the sun for 4 to 6 hours. Step 3. Combine the rest of the ingredients in a bowl and mix well. Step 4. Add the mangoes and toss well. Step 5. Bottle the pickle in a sterilized glass jar. Place the pickle under the sun for 4 to 5 days. This pickle can be stored for up to 1 year.